dropped inside of the Levels app. Okay. All right, guys. So what I was doing yes, you got the recording, Charmaine. So what I did with the recording today, I told you guys, I said, check Euro GBP. What I'm trying to do is I want to put the Zoom ID on certain pairs. So I might tell you, check the app on Euro GBP. And what you were supposed to see was the Zoom ID on the app. But unfortunately, it didn't work like that. So don't worry if you didn't see a trade setup. It's okay. All right, so first thing we're going to do is team 2 weeks notice in the building. Let's go over the Forex real quick. And what session are we currently in right now? We are currently in the Asian session. So we're going to look at all of the pairs that's inside the Asian session. Okay, so let's take a look at GBP, JPY. Do we have anything on GJ? So as you guys can see, GJ, the app is not calling anything on GJ, but there's a beautiful, beautiful setup that we have on GJ. A beautiful head and shoulder pattern. I'll just go ahead and draw it out for all my new members. Left shoulder, the head always stick down by itself. Okay, then you have this little beautiful right shoulder here, pushes the market up. Okay, that's right, Jim Profits in the building. Oh, I also got some good news too, team. I'm looking to switch my IML TV session from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday live. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So around the same time. So this way we can trade together. Okay, so this way we can trade together. So I'm working on that right now, just looking at the schedules right now, because the biggest problem that I noticed that with all the travels that I'm doing, I'm missing out on the weekend schedules. And, you know, it's just, we got too many setups going through the weekend. I think it's right. It's only right. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so let's take a look at this. The first thing we want to do is let's go over to Trading View. Let's go over to Trading View real quick. All right, and we see this. I have a suggestion for the Levels app. Please put the dates on the take profit and stop loss, just like the entries. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it, I love it, I love it. Dates on the stop loss, yes, and take profits. I love it. Good stuff, Darwin. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, so guys, you see this pattern right here. Okay, it's already happened. It's done. It's over with. So what's the next move? So let's go ahead over to GBP, JPY. Go over to the charts. All right, and let's figure out the next move for GJ. All right. All right, GBP, JPY. Now, also, remember the call on levels yesterday? Hey, when did I mark this up? Okay. Remember the call on gold yesterday? We were saying if gold reaches this level, it can shoot up to 12, 13, I believe it was. But understand something, team. Understand something that happened yesterday. Well, this morning. Something that happened this morning. The dollar got stronger, okay? So because the dollar got stronger, it pushed the 8:30 this morning, all right, 8:30 a.m., you see the dollar got stronger. They were expecting at 0.3%, but the dollar got stronger at 0.6%. So, of course, gold dropped. Anything going against the dollar weakened, okay? So technicals, remember, there's always two sides to a story. Remember, two sides to a story. There's fundamentals and there's technicals. Let's Waves talks about fundamentals every single morning at 8 a.m. So fundamentals is going to outweigh your technicals any day. So technicals, all we're doing is saying, I have a hunch that the market could possibly go this way. But when that news come out and news is stronger than what expected, well, you're going to see the market react in a different way. So what happens with the scanner when that happens, okay? So when we take a look at gold, it was calling a buy yesterday, okay? When we take a look at gold, even though it was calling a buy, okay, even though it was calling a buy, it said, hey, listen, no longer we're going to be doing this buy anymore. So now what we're going to be doing is looking for a sell opportunity, okay? Because guess what? Now the market, a huge impulse move happened in the market. So now what the market has to do, it has to readjust itself, okay? So that's what the scanner is doing. It's readjusting to the new movement in the market. So now if this market continues, all right, if this market continues, all right, if it continues to drop and break this, you wait for your retest to enter the trade, okay? On the scanner now, yes, don't worry about, I'm going to say it right now for everyone that's on this call. When it comes to crypto, all right, when it comes to crypto, don't take any trades off the scanner on crypto. Allow me to call these trades. Guys, I'm looking for crypto to go to 6,000. Wait for me to call these trades on crypto. Because again, just like what we just said right now, what the scanner is doing, the scanner is saying, sell, 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 sell. Because the market is, if we go over to the daily time frame, look what's going to happen. We get this large movement. So the scanner has to readjust, okay? The scanner has to readjust. Think about it. It's just like the human body. You know, what happens to you when you run out of steam? You have to readjust. You have to start all over. And that's what the scanner is doing. It's not that the scanner is broken. You said zoom out of your screen. Okay, let me just check. Let me stop real quick. Let me go over here. Let me see. You said zoom out? Let me see something. Hey, the screen, someone said zoom out. They said my screen was too zoomed in. Oh, it was them. Okay. Perfect. All right, perfect. All right. So, thank you. Okay, so guys, does this make sense? Okay, wouldn't we get back 50% off that drop on gold? Well, again, you have to check your fundamental side also. It's very, very important that even though what I've been teaching you guys, 50%, you still have to check your fundamentals. What's happening in the market? Okay, so that's what we're going to be learning about today while setting up potential trade ideas. Okay, so with this Bitcoin here, notice this is on the daily time frame. The market dropped, big old drop, dropping down. So what if we look at this here? Let's go ahead and chop it up real quick. I'm gonna put a line right here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on a smaller time frame. So this way you guys can understand why it's happening. Okay, I'm going to chop it up on a smaller time frame so you can see why it's happening. Jason, don't do that. Okay. So now watch what happens when I go over to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, look at this move here. All right. Look at this move here on the 1 hour time frame. Once the market broke structure here, okay, once it broke out of structure here, we were expecting a retest here. But I'm pretty sure if we go down to like the 15-minute or the 45-minute, you may have gotten a wick right at that zone to push the market down. Okay, but the scanner is reacting, sell, sell, sell. But look at all these sell limits on the same day. Sell at 7, sell at 8, sell at 3. On the same date, the scanner is sending this stuff right here. It's reacting to price. Okay, does that make sense, team? Perfect. All right, so now that you understand that, let's go back over to GJ. And so we can see potential. This right here is not, we're not in the trade on this one here. It's still highlighted, not highlighted yet. Let's look at GJ. Now, what I want to do on GJ, I'm looking at this beautiful inverted head and shoulder. So the first thing I want to do, okay, we're going to go over to the, stay on the 4 hour time frame, and we're going to pull up our wrinkles real quick, okay? Here's a trade opportunity. So the first thing I want to do, you see this yellow candle right here? This yellow candle? Okay. Let me see. Who was on the webinar this morning? Okay. Who was on the webinar or no? Okay. One second. Hold on 1 second. All right. Perfect. Retired by 9/1. Let me see. All right. Perfect. There we go. I think I unmuted you. Can you hear me?
Yep.
All right. So you were on the webinar this morning, correct?
Correct.
Now, remember what I said about gold this morning?
Mm-hmm.
What we were doing was waiting. We were going to track the market.
Yep.
Joanna. Oh, that's right. Jason is interrupting your money. Exactly. So remember this morning, what we did, we trapped the market.
Yep.
We put a line here. So if this market is going to shoot up, see this yellow candle? If it's going to close, we want to close inside of this zone here. But if it breaks out, we get the retest and we buy the market, correct?
Correct, yep.
And then this is the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
If it breaks out, we get the retest and sell.
Yep.
Now, remember gold this morning, I told you guys, even though, come over here, take it. Jason? Jason? I understand. Perfect. So let's go over the gold real quick. Sorry to jump around, XAU, because this is what we're going to use to enter our trades tonight. Okay. So real quick, I think we were, where were we on gold? When the gold had a nice little drop this morning. Yeah, right around here somewhere.
Yeah.
All right. I think it was like $12.99 it was at.
Yep.
Yep, $12.99.
Mm-hmm.
So I told you guys on the webinar this morning, okay, I said, if gold, this was the candle that was forming around $12.99. Yep, right around here. I said, if the market breaks out of here, you go for a retest, correct?
Right.
And shift the market up.
Yep.
If the market breaks out of here, you wait for a retest and shift the market down.
Yep.
Now, Stevie Wonder can see this. Now, there's something else that we said that gold was going to do. Remember that the one magic trick that we did on gold this morning with the fibs?
Yeah.
Okay. So the one magic trick that we did on gold with the fibs this morning, and my team is going to kill me for this. Because they're like, Oran, you had a webinar this morning?
Right.
And you didn't invite us? I know. Hey, guys, let me tell my team something. Hey, listen. They woke me up at 7 o'clock in the morning. My phone was ringing off the hook. I know, Charmaine. I know, Lauren. I'm sorry. I know. But here we go. I got y'all tonight. So the one thing that we said about the market was when we drew our fibs out this morning. And here's the magic trick. We drew from the high, and I believe, let's go over here. There we go. Here we go. We drew from the high, from the low all the way to the high, and we brought the market all the way back down. This is what we did, right? All right, 75%. Give me a second. Let me get my thoughts together. So we were right around, what time is it? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. So perfect. The market stopped right here. I'm going to show you guys what we did this morning. How I told you that what the market was going to do. Was it on the 4-hour time frame? Give me a second. All right, here we go. All right, this is what I did. It was the 4-hour time frame. From the high all the way down to the low, and we pulled it back up. Okay, remember this right here? Where'd you go? Okay. And then I measured from here. And then I asked the question, Retired, where you at? Bring you back on. You got to answer this question for me. Retired by 9-1. Perfect. There you go. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Don't unmute.
Real quick. Okay, I'll get you. Yep.
All right. So now remember I measured from the high to the low and pulled back, right?
Yep.
And then what was the next thing we did? We measured from this point here to the 25%.
Yep.
And then we found the 25% on the bottom.
Yep.
And we said that the target was going to be right here on the 25%.
Yep. The measured move. Yep.
Measured move on the bottom. Yes or no, did the market do this?
Boom.
So from where we called this trade this morning with the retest, this market dropped an additional 77 pips.
Yep.
77 pips. I'm not here to show you guys strategies today. Okay, I'm not here to show you strategies, but I just wanted to show you, even when Daniel is like, you know, I'm not here to show you strategies, but at the same time, look at this. Okay, we measured from the low to the high, pull the market back. Okay, pull the market back. I know, Daniel, I know. Perfect. Now, all you're doing is measure from the high to the low. You're just looking for your pullback. Okay, I noticed that the market failed to come within this zone here. And then I just found the 25% here, and my target was right there. So anyway, let's keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. GBP, JPY. I just like to have fun while we're doing this. So what we're going to do today, the same exact thing. Man, we want the strategy. I got an Oran Wright party over here. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Well, don't worry about the strategy. We're going to do something powerful tonight. So now what I want you to see, we're looking at GBP, JPY. You see this yellow candle here that's forming right now? Well, this is a possible candle. But if it forms and closes, it's going to close within this box. So all I want to do is just predict the future. So if it closes, it's going to close within this box, okay? Or if it closes, it's going to close here. But what I want you to do next is find the previous high. The previous high is right here. So if this market shifts up, break above, we wait for the retest. If it breaks and close above, wait for the retest and take the market up. Okay, so we're looking at 146.070. So if we close above 146.070, we buy the market and shift the market up. Now, if we enter here, we can take it up to this next zone. How many pips is that? All right, 20 pips. I would take it higher to the top of this, maybe 30 pips. Okay, enter here, 146, take it up higher, 30, 36 pips, okay? Now, what if the market goes the opposite way? So we already measured this box here. This is the current candle right now. This is the current candle right here. So measured move. You guys know I've been doing measured moves for a long time. So a measured move, if it breaks below, okay, if it breaks below, okay, if it breaks below here, now, again, this market could go anyway. It can go here or it can close here. So if it breaks below here, we wait for the retest and take it down, okay? So right around this zone here, and I'm just gonna put this line right about here on the current candle, okay? So again, if the market breaks above 146.070, oh man. Okay, 146.070, we got a potential buy opportunity. And if it breaks below 145.570, All right, potential sell opportunity. Does that make sense, team? How does that look to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now you're seeing it on Rinkos, but it looks amazing on a live chart. I mean, on the candle chart. Okay. All right. So let's go to the chart, which what you're going to be looking off of. And here's the chart, what you're looking at. Okay. So now here's your chart, your candle chart. So looking at this here, if we get that break above, okay, where the current market is, break and close above, we look for a buy opportunity, potentially take it from 146.070 all the way up to 146.424. Okay. 146.444. And that's the levels scanner. Okay. Someone say, can you place a sell limit now? Well, it's not going to, the market is not going to let you place a sell limit. Okay. It's not going to let you place a sell limit. The only thing it's going to allow you to do is do a buy stop or a sell stop. Okay. Because here's the thing. In order to place a sell limit, the market needs to be above that zone.
To come back.
Because you're below the zone, you can only put a buy stop. Now, you can put a buy limit down here, but we're not looking at that. Okay? Does that make sense, everyone?
Mm-hmm.
All right, someone say 4-hour time frame. Let me see. GJ sells 4-hour time, 4-hour trend line touches and price. Let's take a look at. Yeah, that is the 4-hour time frame. Okay? Now, here's the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, look at the volume that we have right now. Okay? Huge volume that's going on right now. Okay? But it's okay. You can have those large candles. Let's talk about, can you talk about call alerts and how to use them? Sure. Sure. Now, we all, at this moment now, TradingView is free if you're not using the Rinkos. Okay? Even on the daily time frame, TradingView is free. Okay, can you go over that again, but stop versus buy limits? Sure. Okay. All right, just do me a favor, team. Write everything that you guys want me to go over. Write it down inside of, yeah, true. That is true, the Academy. Okay, that is true. You can go to the Academy. But just write everything down inside of, matter of fact, I know, Charmaine, I'm giving you a lot to do, but that's why you're such an amazing person. Charmaine, if you're watching the chat, all of the questions, just put it inside of a list, and I'll just go through that list real quick. I appreciate you, Charmaine. That's why you're so amazing. That's why we're going to have so much fun at this boot camp next week. Did I say that out loud again? I'm saying things out loud. Okay, so guys, here's your setup right here. Okay, even though the scanner did not call it, how far or up do you move your stop loss when you're in profit? It all depends on how far you're in profit. Okay, if you are 10 pips in profit, I would not move my stop loss. I would probably, let's say if I have a 50 pip stop loss. Okay, if I have a 50 pip stop loss and I'm 10 pips in profit, I'm probably going to move my stop loss up to maybe 30 or 20 pips negative. Okay, so if I'm 20 pips in profit, then I'm going to move it like either break even or 10 pips. Okay. All right. I shared, now that you guys have your entry on GJ, anything can happen. No invite to the meeting this morning or the boot camp. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So, guys, what I want to show you real quick, and it's very important. How many of you on here, you say to yourself, Oran, and I had a conversation with someone, and don't worry, we're going to get back into the trading. Okay, I had a conversation with someone, and you know, it's very stressful when you're in a trade and you're saying to yourself, the market is not moving. The market is not moving, So I'm just going to close this trade out. Guys, would it be okay if I showed you how every account size that you have can feel just like a 0.01? Okay, when you're trading a 0.01, how does it feel? Okay, Kevin, how you doing? Kevin Keller.
Doing well.
Oh man, Kevin, are you excited?
Yes, looking forward to next weekend.
The next weekend, right?
Yeah.
Kevin, oh my, I saw the house, man. It's ridiculous.
Cool.
Kevin, when I tell you, the next weekend would never be the same. But anyway, Kevin, here's a question for you.
Okay.
When you're trading a 0.01, how do you feel? What type of emotions do you have?
They're usually well within check. I mean, I will get a little, I'll have a little emotion, but not a lot.
Okay. Basically, not
Very
much,
little.
right?
Yeah.
So 0.01, check this out. 0.01, $100. If you have $100 in your account, you're only going to be trading a 0.01.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Now, if you have $200 in your account, how much should you be trading?
0.02.
0.02. That's right. Now, all the way up to $1,000, how much should you be trading?
A dime.
Okay, 0.10. 1,000 shares. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
0.10, 1,000 shares. That's all you should be trading. Because here's the thing. All right, no worries. You just don't worry. Take your time. Because if you're negative 100 pips, if you're negative 100 pips, all right, 100 pips, 0.01, you're only down $10, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, but what if you're negative 100 pips on a $1,000 account on a 0.10? You're only negative what? $100.
Right.
Okay. I want a 0.01, every account size that I have, to feel like I'm trading a 0.01. What if you have a $5,000 account? How much should you be trading?
0.50.
0.50. That's right. 0.50. Okay. So you got a $5,000 account. Now, this is where a lot of people are not being taught this.
Mm-hmm.
This is where I don't have those emotions anymore. On a $10,000 account, that's when you should be trading a standard lot size.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because if you're down 100 pips, negative 100 pips, you're only down how much?
$1,000.
$1,000. That's equivalent to $100 on a 0.01.
Right. 10%.
There it is right there, team. So if no one has ever taught you this math right here, here it is. There it is right there on the sheet for you. Because this is the math that you need when you're trading. Uh-oh. All right, this is the math that you need when you're trading. And that's a problem because we have new members here who are trading. Sorry, I'm off topic, but AUDCHF that was called by the scanner earlier, it was activated and in profit. Perfect, good job. Okay, it's taught doing Forex Basics. This is perfect info, thank you. It's taught doing Forex Basics, perfect. But I just want to share it with you guys because even though it's taught doing the basics, how many of you go through the basics and you come out and you're saying to yourself, well, I got a $1,000 account and I'm a trader standard. A lot of people skip this, that's correct. And then you come out, you're lost like, oh my goodness, I'm down $10. Why are you panicking? You're down $10. Okay, I had to share that, Kevin. It was very important that I share that.
Good
Perfect.
stuff.
Thank you, brother. All right, so Aussie, CHF. Let's see what we're talking about. What we talking about? Why am I like a rookie right now? I know that I'm supposed to be in. Ooh, oh. Okay, so on this trade here, Aussie CHF, which one is this one here? It was a sell limit, okay? I'm grabbing it right here. You guys can see that it was a sell limit right here. Aussie CHF sell limit came out today at 106. The market shot back up, came up to the zone, and we are currently, well, it went up 13 pips, okay? So with this trade here, looking at the pattern, okay? Looking at the pattern that the market is giving you, did you get TP for JPY sell? Minimum, TP is going to be minimum 25, 30 pips. All right, 25, 30 pips minimum, okay? So as you guys can see here, what do you see on Aussie? We have a left shoulder here. Actually, it's the Elliott's wave. Okay, beautiful wave pattern here. Let me go ahead and cut this off. Okay, so we got 1, 2 touches there. So if this market does decide to shoot down after retesting this zone here, we got to break a structure. If it does decide to shoot down and bounce off of here, we might get one more bounce. We might get one more bounce after breaking structure right here. That will be 1, 2, 3, and possible shoot down to where it needs to go, down this level here. Okay, so that's a total of 50 pips right there. Okay, total of 50 pips right there. Now again, it caught on a buy limit. It caught out a buy limit here yesterday. So this market went up, into the trade, triggered in the buy, did not hit the stop, took the market all the way up. Now again, this market went up for how many pips? 40 pips. Come on, team. Come on. The market went up 40 pips on this trade after giving you a beautiful entry. The drawdown was about 10 pips and went up for 40 pips. Take your money. Take your money and go. Run with it. Take your money and run with it. Okay? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we looked at GBP. Let's take a look at GBP AUD also. Okay? GBP AUD. This is something manually I did on here. All right, let me save it so it don't show up anymore. GBP AUD. First thing I'm looking at on GBP AUD is structure. Okay, I'm looking at this structure. Let's go over to the chart. GBP AUD. So we got the trade. Oh, whoa! What is volume? Hold up. Did Aussie have news just now? Hold on. USD, CNY. Pound is going up. Yeah, I see that. Hold on. What the heezy? I don't see anything over here. TP hit for AJ. What the? TP hit for AJ. Whoa. What's going on? All right, peep Euro GBP, all flying. Euro GBP, Euro GBP. What's going on? See, this is what happens when you're teaching. When you're teaching, orange folder on Aussie. Where do you see the orange folder on? Oh, because I have all red folders. Ah, that's why. There we go. Same thing happened on GBP the other night. Orange folders. Okay. So today is Friday. 9:30 Aussie. Okay. Orange folder on Aussie. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's take a look at Aussie pairs since we got Aussie stuff going on. AUD, USD. Oh my goodness. Why am I late to the party? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and mark this up real quick. See if I can do this real fast. Boom. This one here, this goes here. So perfect, perfect. If we break out of here, because we missed the move already, wait for the retest, take the sell. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, we shift up, we can take an entry here, take the buy up, or we can take an entry here and take the buy up. How many of you see what I'm doing and understand what I'm doing? Yes, trade ideas, trade ideas, trade ideas. Okay, how many of you see exactly what I'm doing and understand what I'm doing? Okay, line goes here, switch over, and here's your chart. Switch over to the candles. Perfect. There we go. So you mark off every wrinkle candle. Yes, yes, yes. Breakout retest, breakout retest. That's right, breakout retest. Because here's the thing, team. We missed this move for 1, 2, 3. We missed all of this here. Okay, we missed all of this here. But here's the thing. Looking at wrinkles, Aussie could possibly, left shoulder, market could come down, hit the zone here, and then shoot back up for your right shoulder, and then drop the market down. Okay, you see that? I'm new and I am lost. Javier, you're lost too. Okay, this is what I've been looking for. You've answered a number of questions I had concerning the wrinkles. Daniel, yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Daniel, I'm glad you're understanding it. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Daniel, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Oran.
Perfect. So Daniel, it's good now?
Yeah, man. I've been having issues trying to figure out what to do with those candles that haven't fully formed yet.
Okay. Perfect.
And the fact that you're covering it tonight, man, it's light bulbs are just going off.
Yes. Yes, it's definitely, because here's the thing. The candles that have not formed yet, remember, we usually do this. 1, 2, 3, before we do 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So then when we do that, we're waiting for our retest, right?
Mm-hmm.
We wait for our retest, and we got, look at this. We didn't get the retest on the third one, but we got on the fourth one. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine if I was looking at this, guys? Imagine if we were looking at this from the beginning. Someone said, I'm bullish on Aussie. You're bullish on Aussie? Shabazz said he's bullish on Aussie. Thanks, Oran. I'm going to add the levels at peace, brother. All right, cool, cool. Is this going to be recorded? Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. So, Shabazz, let's take a look at something real quick. Let's go ahead and cut this off. We're going to find a low. We can start from here if we want. Now you see what happened? Look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, breakout, retest, sell the market.
God, oh.
You see that? Daniel, how smooth was that?
Man, like butter.
1, 2, 3, 4 gave me my breakout, retest, you took the trade.
Sheesh.
Okay? So on GA, total opposite on GA. Okay? Now look at this on GA. Look at this. Look at this. 1. We got your breakout. Breakout. Where's my retest? X marks the spot. We talk about this a lot, team. We talk about this a lot. X marks the spot. Switch over to your line chart. Wakanda for life!
Wow.
Daniel, is this stuff amazing or what, man?
Man, this thing is absolutely amazing, man. Absolutely.
So the X goes right there because X marks the spot. And Daniel, what else do we have right here where the X goes? Bullish engulfing, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's always going to be a retest right there. Yeah.
How many times do we retest the zone? 1, 2, up, double bottom, buy the market. Now, here's a bearish engulfing here, structure here. Now, here's the thing. We break above this, you miss a trade, wait for your retest. But what type of engulfing candle are we currently forming right now? Is this a single or multi?
It's multi.
Multi engulfing, okay? Oran, you called a Euro GBP alert in the Telegram. Is the trade that dated 219, is it still valid? From February 219, I never got hit when it was called, still confused at times. When I go to the app, I see different dates, not sure. Tiffany, Euro GBP, 219. We'll talk about that in a second. Now, Daniel, what I want you to see here, do we hit Aussie USD for sale now, even though we're late? Alex. What did I just give you, Alex? Alex, what did I just give you on here? What did I just tell you guys? What are we waiting for? Okay, we're waiting for the break of structure. Okay, let me go ahead and mark this up for you again, Alex. Here's the current markup. What time is it now? Did it just close? 9:49. Okay, it's still within that same time. So
I disappeared.
No, don't worry. We'll mark it up again. Look, put it here. Okay, because if it closed, it goes here, right?
All right.
Breakout, retest, sell. Okay. Breakout, retest, buy. Okay. Breakout at 0.71299. Okay. 7. Where we at? 71299. Okay. And sell if closed below 71131. You see how it's still forming? I can change that to any color. It could be yellow if it want. See that? It can be yellow. You can change it to any color you want. It can be hot pink. That's going to be your current candle. Okay?
Okay.
I like mine yellow. Perfect. There's always a different color than the current candle. So team, now, when we look at this here, hey Oran, look at gold, 4 touches and drop for sale last night. Y'all got me all over the board. That's why I can't even trade my own, man.
You gotta keep focused.
I know, like she said, all these trades that you give out to everybody, how many of those trades you took? And I'm like, I don't know, baby, because they be telling me, trade this one, look at this one, look at that one. I'm like, oh, man, which one do I look at? So now when you go back over to your current candle chart, this is what you're looking for. You see this? Look at the breathing room that you have, team. Look at the breathing room that you have. Okay, so this is structure right here. So if we break below this one, you got structure. But what if we bounce off of this? What if this is a buy right here? We want to see a break and close below this one. Okay? Okay. Let me see. Kevin just sent me a screenshot. Let me see what you got there, Kevin. That's gold. Okay. Yeah, that's why gold fell. Okay. XAU USD. Well, I'm not gonna say that's why gold fell, but gold fell because the dollar got strong. It's just the technicals that played a part of it. Technical played a big part of it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Caught the half Batman on gold. Yeah, so we looked at gold already. GBP was the pair that we're looking at. GBP, JPY was the pair that we're looking at. So again, look at this. Give the market a chance to breathe. You see that? You have your trade set up on GBP. Give the market a chance to breathe. Oh, good job, Kevin. Kevin said, good job, Kevin. I can hear now. Ooh. Good job, Kevin. The Levels app hit on Euro Odd. The Levels app hit on Aussie JPY. Man, Kevin, you're killing it. Woo! Good job, brother. Good job. Okay. Yes, good job. Good job. All right. Perfect. Let's go ahead and drop this here real quick. All right. Everybody just mute yourselves out real quick. Perfect. Let's go ahead and drop this here for all trade ideas that we have. I think this is cool if we do this Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All right, let me go back over. Okay, cool. I see UCAD dropping. All right, let's take a look at it. See what the scanner got real quick on UCAD. See if the scanner has anything on UCAD. Probably an old trade on UCAD. Okay. Well, the scanner has UCAD coming down, so that could be that drop also. All right. Scanner has UCAD coming down to 133.560. Okay, for a buy limit opportunity right there. So let's take a look at the scanner, USD CAD. All right. Oh, and I get confused with all the lines on the app. Could you go over it, please? You're talking about these lines. Those. Don't worry. I went over there earlier. Don't trade crypto until I give out a signal on that one, okay? We're still working on this, okay? Don't trade crypto until I give out the signal for this one, okay? Perfect. Yep. So you think it's 3,400 one more time? 134 one more time, right? Let's go ahead and see. Thanks for keeping it free for us. Well, it's not gonna be free forever. Can we focus on how to use the Level app? Yeah, Miss Rain, we're gonna focus on how to use the app, but also I want to try to get you in some trades. Try to get you some money in your pocket. Possibly, potentially. But, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna take care of you. Get you right. So looking at this, this UCAD. Let's go over to my Rincos. Kevin, what up, Kevin? How? Take a look at my Rincos real quick. And the first thing I want to looking at this UCAD. So if I'm counting from the bottom, okay, I'm gonna do this here. Here's my live my current zone right here. Okay, so what I want to do in this UCAD, you're probably saying, but Oran, I could put one here. This is so electric. What a team. All right. Have you guys discussed GU? Not yet. Do you see a possible trade on Euro NZD? I'm not sure yet. Possible reversal. I'm not sure yet. 1 second. All right. Just hold all questions because I keep looking over to it keeps popping up on my TV to the left, and I just put a huge TV inside the office. So I see everything over to the left. Even when I'm looking in front of me, it just keeps popping up. So hold all questions and comments for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let me get through this part real quick. Okay, so now take a look at this. You see this right here? This is the current market. All right, this is the current market right here on a 1 hour time frame. And you're saying to yourself, okay, 1 second, Grace. 1 second, Grace, because it's not going to be a yellow candle because it's a full candle. It's a full candle. It's a full body candle. It's full of volume. It's full of life. See, when it's a full candle like this, give it a second. The moment it comes back down like this, then you're going to see the difference. But it's a full candle right now. No, I didn't snap. I didn't snap. Would this be the same with US 30? I'm about to have me a drink after this one. Woo, take a nice sip. Yes, hold your question. You guys are hungry. Kevin, I'm coming over your house after this, man. We're going to have to drink. Go right to your bar downstairs. Okay, so with this candle right here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to find my future candle. That's right. I'm going to find my future candle. And how am I going to do that? You see right here around this zone here, all of this here. All of this here. This is this one candle right here. Now, where's my future candle? If this market decides it wants to go up, well, what I want to see is, I want to see the market shoot up, break out, retest, okay, and then continue to move. Okay, continue to move. Now, this is my future. This is the previous high. Now, what about if it comes in the opposite direction? Well, I want to see the market do this. Okay, I want to see the market come down, break out. You could do a break right here, or you could do a retest here and drop the market. Now, I want to use these wrinkles as potential targets. Target, 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 and use these for potential targets. Target, target. Now, seeing where we currently are, so you don't get confused, you see we have these lines way back here because this is the future. So I'm going to put it right here. And then what I'll do, I'll make this nice and clear. Down, retest, down, retest, and then possibly drop. Okay? Possibly rise, possibly go up. So now when we look at this on the candle view, this is what it should look like. It shouldn't be confusing at all. Okay? So look at all the space that we're giving the market to breathe. So you see this long line right here? This long line is my impulse candle. That strong candle. All right, now you guys can say something. Does this make sense? I wouldn't even touch this one here on a break and retest here because the market could easily come here and then shift back up. I would let it get some breathing room and let it come all the way down here and take the trade. Because even if you took the trade here, you know, let this market drop down to maybe this zone here, potentially right here, that would be my target. So CAD, uh-oh, someone's breathing hard. Let me see. You guys mute yourselves out real quick. Okay, continue. Okay, so with CAD, I would like to see it come down if it comes down, but I need to see momentum. I need to see volume. Okay, I need to see volume. Okay, so on the CAD, I want to see, okay, if break above buy at what level is that? 1.33951. What am I doing? 1.33951. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. How many of you could actually do this with confidence? Okay. How many of you feel that you can actually send out trade alerts with confidence now? Okay, guys, I feel so confident right now. I've never felt this confident. John said, shit, not me. John, oh man, if break, what am I doing? Where's my sell opportunity? 1.33592. Okay. So we're allowing, hey, Bridget and John. Bridget and John, stop it. Okay. There's Bridget. Bridget, how you doing? And John, I unmuted both of you. What's wrong? Why you don't think you can do this?
Well, I mean, I'm recently new. I'm pretty new, so I just have a lot to learn.
How new?
About like a month and a half, around it.
About a month and a half, okay. So with the information that you're learning now, I mean, think about it. With the information that you're learning now, how good did you feel? I mean,
Well, I feel good because now I got some better understanding of how the market is moving and all.
Perfect. I love it. Man, this is amazing. Now look at this, team. I want you to look at this real quick, John. Okay, we're talking about structure. You see this how the market just went up right here and it stopped here. You see that?
Yeah.
Look at this structure point right here. And notice how the market came down and it retests right here. See that?
Okay.
What I want to do now, John, is take a ray, okay, and just connect the dots, just like this. Now, do you guys understand the reason why? What the heck was that? Bridget, that was you, Bridget?
Oh, I see.
Now do you guys understand? I don't know why, but I feel like my webinars are like the funniest. Why? It's always something. Okay, let's get back into it. All right. So now do you guys see why I'm waiting for, if the market breaks below, we wait for the retest and sell?
Yeah. Better confirmation.
That's yeah, exactly. You know, the market could do anything. It could come down and say, hey, listen, I'm going to bounce off of here, but keep going over here. This is why we wait for a break and close. Okay? So now, when guys, this stuff is powerful. All I'm doing is connecting the dots, connecting here. And watch this, John, when I connect these two. Perfect. You see this? Look at this. Break, retest, and look how the market stops there. You see that?
Yeah.
Beautiful stuff right there.
That's pretty cool.
Steven Johnson, appreciate you guys. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. I see you got the team with you. Where the team at? Oran, what's up, brother?
How you doing?
Oh man, you got the. Where your team at? Where your team at? Who's that behind you? That's your team?
Oh no! I'm in class right now. I'm in class.
I thought you had a squad with you right now.
I'm in class, getting right on your show.
Perfect. I appreciate you, brother. Woo! Let's go. Let me see who else got the squad with them. Let me see. Oh man. Steven Johnson. Let me see, Steven, where you at? That's what I'm talking about, guys. And here's the thing. We're coming back from London.
Come on, yo, come over here. Let's show some love to Oran. Let me get everybody up in here. Let me get everybody up in here. We deep today, Oran.
Wait, I can't find you.
Oh, let's go!
Oh, there we go. Oh. Let's go. Man, y'all on fire.
What's up?
Y'all lit right now. Let me ask you something.
We lit.
Okay.
We're doing trading and tacos. We learning this stuff. Let's go. Trading levels and tacos. Let's go. Put a 5 in the chat if you hype for Oran. Getting back with these joints. Let's go.
No. TLT, baby. TLT. Trading levels and tacos.
Yes, sir.
Woo, man.
Welcome back, man. We're happy to have you back.
I'm glad to be back. What city and state you guys tuning in from?
We in Orlando right now.
Where?
In Orlando, Florida. Home of Disney World. Home of the Pimp Champs.
Hold up. Did you just say Orlando?
Orlando, Florida.
Did you just say Orlando?
Is that where you at?
I'm doing a boot camp next weekend in Orlando.
Let's go! Let's go! Come on, man.
Are you serious? You're in Orlando?
I'm about to DM you on Instagram.
Whoa.
We lit.
That's crazy. You in Orlando?
Orlando, Florida. We deep here. You see all these computers, man?
Yo.
Lit. We got tacos trading. There's Ariana. Instagram verified Ariana.
We're doing a 3-day weekend boot camp next weekend in Orlando.
We lit.
That's gonna be crazy. OMG. Wow.
I'm about to DM you on Instagram. Don't act like a stranger, Oran.
Oh, this guy, you be using my words. Okay. All right.
Hey, but for real, Oran, I want to say this, man. We grateful for these pop-up sessions because they've been helping us get better at trading. We love levels. We love the app. Everybody here has the app. But I know one thing for sure, I was very disappointed when I found out that you weren't going to be doing any more pop-ups. So we literally have been believing for you to come back. We're excited. Everybody's on this one. That's why you had over 500 people get on. Everybody's excited. We want to put 5 in the chat if you're grateful for Oran during these sessions. Let's go! Let's go!
That's you. I love that Chairman 500 spirit right now, man.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now you just got me hyped. Okay.
Good.
So, I just got some structure in my life.
Yeah.
All right, I'll tell you guys this real quick. So I had a conversation with someone this morning. And that's the whole reason why I'm doing this right now. I had 2 conversations. First conversation was, Oran, you have to get structure. You can't do any more pop-up Zooms. All right, you can't do any more pop-up Zooms. If you're going to do this, you need structure. What time are you going to be on? You have to be on every single day at that time. It can't be, I'm this time. I said, all right, cool. You're right. You're absolutely right. If you're going to do London session every night, do London session every night. Do it off the scanner. I said, man, you're right. You're right. And then I had another conversation that say, hey, Oran, listen, be very careful with your words. And I said, man, you're right. So those two conversations just fueled me up right now.
Hey,
And
why am I
I
still
tell
here,
you,
man?
levels,
I'm out.
we're going to be doing this. We're going to be doing this London session. London
What you
session.
got that exam in?
Hold on one second. Yeah, London session, we're going to be trading. Okay, London session. I think between Asian and London, we're going to do two. Asian session is going to be the first one, and then London is going to be the second one. Okay, that's right. Let's go. We're going to do Asian, we're going to do London. Asian, London, Asian, London, Asian, London. I'm sleeping around New York time, guys. I'm sleeping around New York. I'm going to keep it real with you. New York session, I wake up, the news, and just spike the market to the moon. All right, Asian, London, Asian. I want to trade with you guys when you're still up from work. You just got off from work at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., put the kids to bed, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, get on your computer, let's trade. Okay, let's trade. So yeah, boot camp in Orlando next week. And I don't know if the person want me to mention this one. I'm gonna see if she want me to mention this one. Boot camp in Houston, Texas. Boot camp in Houston, Texas. Yeah. She probably gonna kill me for this one. May, I forgot, what's the date? May, ooh, I think she just said I'm gonna get in trouble. Yeah, boot camp in Houston, Texas. May 17th, 18th, and 19th. I think it is. 17, 18, 19. But I know Orlando is April 17, no, April 19, 20, and 21. 19, 20, 21. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy, man. You said let's schedule. Daniel, we're supposed to schedule one for DC a long time ago when we did the boot camp in Atlanta. Remember the boot camp we did in Atlanta when I first got here? 3 days. We were supposed to schedule DC right after. 3-day weekends. Woo! Anyway, let's get back to trade. What time is it now? 7 to 9 sounds like a plan. No, boot camp is going to be in Houston, not Dallas. Dallas shows up on the first 48 too much. Y'all be on the first 48 too much. All right, let's get back into it, guys. So let's take a look at, see what we have going on. All right, so now look at US CAD. UCAD is starting to make some movement. Do not trade the consolidation. Do not trade the consolidation. UCAD is starting to make some movement. Right now, the market is in consolidation, moving left to right. We can easily bounce off here and shoot back up. Bounce off of here and shoot back down. Wait until the break of structure, okay? How do you find consolidation? Switch to your line chart. All you're gonna do is find your high, find your low. Box it up like some Chinese takeout, okay? Find your high, find your low, box it up, and then copy, boom. Target here. I'm doing the same thing, just a different system. The same thing I did before, just a different system. I guarantee you some people probably entered the trade already. They probably say, I'm selling right now. Forget what Oran is saying. I'm in profit, baby. But then as soon as the market start moving the other way, as soon as you start seeing that wick action, they're like, that's when the market got you by the neck. Look, trade well. Trey said, buy or sell. Bag lady said, I almost did. Drawdown. Oh, man. Guys, wait for the retest, okay? Let's get this box out of here now. Now, you see this? All of this is consolidation. Okay, Oran, can you please answer if we see older dates, are the trades valid? No. So, let's go over to that real quick and answer that question real quick. Hey, Tiffany, what trade was that again? No retest, no entry. Let's take a look at that real quick. EG. So Euro JPY, we got a buy limit here. We probably had an actual trade. Let me see. Did we get a retest there? Nope, we didn't get a retest there. So Euro GBP, where's the trade? So this trade came back out over here. Now, no. Okay, Tiffany. Yes. Eventually, if the market is ready, it'll come back up to that zone. Okay, let's take a look at it for a second. So this was back on 215.0600. All right, 215.0600 Euro GBP. Let's take a look at this. Euro GBP. That's my homie Tiff from New York. I know you're hungry for some pips. Some pips ahoy. Pips hooray. Okay, so Euro GBP. Let me find out this. That's at 877.80. 877.80. So what I'll do is I'll put a line here. 0.87780. All right. That's way up there. So I got to go to a higher time frame, right around that zone there. So Tiff, let's see what will push this market back up. Let's go over to my handy dandy Rincos. That's a long ways up there, Tiff. But as you can see that the market is making momentum. We got the triple bottom, the quadruple bottom, pushing back in that zone. What I would do, I would wait for a buy opportunity. So waiting for a buy opportunity, look what we have here. You see that yellow candle forming right there? That's the current market. So what I'm going to do here, okay, yellow current candles forming right there. So here's the market here, okay? I'm going to find my future, which is right here, okay? Sorry, something basics. The retest is your closed candle at 1 hour above consolidation box. When do you enter? Sorry. Okay, 1 second. I'll be right back. I'll be right back to that in 1 second. Let me just finish this up. So what I'll do is I'll wait for a break above this line here. Get your retest there, because remember, if the candle closed here within this box, okay, this is the market. If it closed within this box on a buy opportunity, I'll wait for the retest on this candle. Someone fell asleep on the can. Come on, no distractions. You're throwing me off. Okay. Wait for the buy opportunity and take the baby up to here. This will be the first step. But if this is going to keep going up, okay, if this is going to keep going up, it might go up to that zone that you're looking at, Tiff. See that? It might go up to that zone what you're looking at right there. And what I would look for is 1, 2, 3. Right here would be my first target. Someone said, "Are you always going on the 1 hour time?" I'm on a 4 hour time frame right now. I'm not always on the 1 hour. See, you can do this on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily. I wouldn't do anything less than that. I'm actually on a 4 hour time frame right now because I had to see the entire market. The 1 hour time frame didn't allow me to see the overall market. Okay, so now if the market decides to break this zone, what am I going to do? Wait for it to break and close, retest, sell the market. Now, look at this. This is very important. Look at this part here. 1, 2, 3. Could it possibly come over to the zone here? Did we get a retest anywhere over here? So what I want to do is take this line. I want to put it here because this is where the current market is. And then shift back over to my candles. Okay, perfect. Well, look what the market did already. You see this black line that we drew on the 4 hour chart, Rincos? Look at this, 4 hour Rincos. Remember I said if it break out of here, out of this black line, let me change the color. Make it red, I'm gonna make it thicker. And now you guys can see that this, what I'm showing you actually works. So look at this. Notice that the market did break out, did give you a retest and drop down. Maybe not that many pips, but you know, gave you about 20 pips on that trade. Okay, 20 pips, but the overall trend is moving to the upside. Okay, the overall trend is moving to the upside. Now, what we're looking for here, this is where the current market is now. Okay. It actually gave you more with the wick. Yes, it did. Gave you more with the wick. So we'll take a look at the current market right here. I'll change this to purple. GBP just hit 146. Okay. Do you have any videos on Rinko's teaching saved? I think this is better. So look at this, guys. We actually broke above this right here. The current, we actually broke above this here. Now, if we hold this, we can actually take this market up. Even though we have a bearish engulfing candle, we have a bearish engulfing candle right here. And you guys know how, you should know how to trade engulfing candles. With engulfing candles, what do? How do we trade engulfing candles? If we want to do the opposite, if we want to take the trade in the opposite way, how do we trade engulfing candles? Large breakthrough and retest. Yes, 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 yes. Wait for the violation. That's right. So this right here would be the violation. Wait for the break, retest to the top of this and take the market the opposite way. Just like here. You see this right here? Here's a bullish engulfing here. Okay? Here's a bullish engulfing here. We wait. Look at structure. 1, 2, 3. If this market breaks and come down, let's just say this market does decide to shift all the way down. Now we could possibly see a break here. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Possible break if it comes through here. Retest, take the market down to where it needs to go. Okay? Is everyone understanding this so far? I don't know how to trade engulfing candles. All right, Millionaire Minds, don't worry. It's okay. IML TV, we speak about this a lot. Okay? We speak about this a lot on IML TV. So somebody said GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Okay. So GJ 147.070. So look at the market is in our zone right now. Okay, it's in our zone, but we're still waiting for that break and close above. Or tonight you use 3 bricks instead of 4. Nope, I use 4. I use 1 brick also. I use 3 bricks, I use 4, I use 1. But what I'm showing you is on the 1 brick is how to trade the current market. And when I use 3 and 4 is how to set up your pending orders. Okay? So when I use 1 brick, it's on the current market. Oh, GBP NZD. Hold up. What pair were we looking? GBP? You guys got me confused. No, it wasn't GBP NZD. It was GJ. Oh, man. Y'all got me thrown off. I'm like, what the? I knew it was GJ. So, oh, you just. So, look at the market is in our zone right now. All right. Is it possible, even though the market is in our zone, look where it is right here. It's in our zone, but also look at structure here. We have a break of structure, retest, V bottom. Could we get a bounce here? Okay. A little break off of the zone here and then push the market down, but still hold this level here. Okay. But if we shift out of here, we get a burst of momentum, okay, and shift out. So, Oran, if you can't watch the market, would you set pending orders both ways? Yeah, I would. I would set alarms also. Yeah, I set alarms and alerts. Lorenzo, that's I know. Guys, we got to get serious on my webinars. People saying this, or in your webinars, man, it's like Comedy Central. No, I want it to be serious. Okay? Okay, losing is not funny. All right, would you say that Aussie NZD has broken out? Can't be a hard sleeper. AUD, NZD. Broken out of what? It's not even setting up my zone. I can see that Aussie NZD. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, see what we got. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Tell me, what do you see here on Aussie NZD? Has it broken out of anything? Okay, Aussie NZD. Nada. Absolutely nothing. Here's my high, here's my low. It has not broken out of anything. You get a large candle, do not get excited by those large candles. That's true consolidation right there. Do not get excited by these large candles, because these large candles, trust me when I tell you, they will have you panicking, thinking that a move just happened. Guys, do you want to really, really learn support and resistance? Let me show you. Someone pick one pair, and I'm going to leave you with this. Pick one pair, EJ, Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY. I'm going to show you true support and resistance. This is all you really need, Euro JPY. So if you have someone who's, whoa, EJ, what happened today, man? You see what happened? Okay, so check this out, Euro JPY. And let's go to the 4 hour time frame. You can do this on any time frame. Tag your new people. If you have someone who just started, or how can we access this recording? Oh, it's going to be inside of the Levels app. Don't worry. That's why I try not to make it too long. All right. It's already 10:29. We've been on here an hour and a half. All right. I'm going to leave you with this right here. You already got your trade setups for the night. So I need to download that. Don't worry. Let's just say we're looking at this zone right here. You see these wicks right here? Wicks.com. Perfect. Put a line right there. Okay? Put a line right there. Boom. Then I'm put a line right here. You know what this is? That's resistance. Let's find support. You know the easiest way to find support or resistance? Look for a large candle. Look for a large candle. Watch this. Wicks, 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 wicks. Boom. Boom. Guess what we got here? Support, 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 support. Large candle. It takes a large candle to break through support or resistance. Watch what happens if I extend this back the other way. Watch this. And I'm not going to move it. Watch this. Watch. Every time we want to break through this line, y'all don't believe me, but every time we want to break through this line, it's going to be a large candle. Large candle number one. Okay. Support, 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 support. I mean resistance, resistance, resistance. Breakout large candle. Structure, structure, structure. That's how you can tell if the zone is strong or not. Okay. Okay. We got structure. Let's see how many pips this candle is. 43 pips. It's pretty big. 43 pips right there. Cool. Okay, let me go over to a higher time frame, daily. Okay, large candle. Large candle. See that? Structure. That's how you can tell if it's a strong zone or not. It takes a large candle to break through. Large candle, large candle, large candle, large candle, back and forth. So if you see a large candle to your left, just know, look at this, structure. Okay, so when the market comes back up, look how many times the market has came back to this level. Large candle breakout, retest, retest. Now, when we go over to the current market, ask yourself, on a daily time frame, what are the possibilities? We already gave back 50% of this level right here. What are the possibilities of this market shooting up to this resistance? Is that another trade opportunity? What are the possibilities of this market shooting up from here and stopping right here at resistance? Does that make sense to you? How does that look to you, team? V bottom, push all the way up through that zone. Let's see what it looks like on wrinkles before I leave you. How do I choose to see what time frame? Well, what you can do is you can start at the daily and then work your way all the way down to the 1 hour. And then you start to see a setup, okay? You start to see a setup. Yep. But that's only one touch. Remember, that's right. That's only one touch, Lorenzo. That's only one touch. Lorenzo, but what about here? Breakout, large candle. With a large candle, they have no respect for touches. They don't care. Anything can happen, especially when you give back over 100% of that move already, of that large candle. You see this move right here? They gave back over 100% of it. Okay, they don't care. Look at this large candle here. They gave it back and pushed higher. Anything can happen. So we go over the wrinkles and we take a look at it. Oh, what the? We got 2 yellow candles here. That's confusing. Remember to finish what you were doing on UC before you get distracted with EG questions. I know, Kev. I forgot what I was doing on that. I forgot what I was doing on UC. So look at this right here on wrinkles. I'm saying to myself, 100% return. Okay. So if we break above this one here, boom, there's your buy right there. Easily 50 pips right there. We close above this one, there's your buy right there. Break below this one, sell opportunity. And that's off the daily. 126, 115. 126, 320. Yeah. Simple. It's not in the App Store. Just go to iml.levels.com. You'll find it. iml.levels.com. Okay. What was I doing on CAD? Someone refresh my memory. What was I doing on CAD? See, CAD is not doing anything right now. Okay? CAD is not doing anything right now. Okay? Do you wait for the close of the same time frame that you mark up? Yeah. You definitely want to wait for a close. Okay? Because here's the thing. If, let's say if I'm looking at this right here, right? I'm looking at this. All right? Let's say if I'm looking at this and the market shoots down on the 1 hour time frame and close below. That's a close on the 1 hour time frame. As a matter of fact, I'll show it to you so you can understand how it works. USD JPY. All right, I'll show you exactly how it works. And that's why mark it up on your time frame, team. It's very, very important. You see this long wick here on the 4 hour time frame? Look at this long wick on the 4 hour time frame right here. What do you think you're going to see here? Okay. I think you were going to answer something about US 30. Probably not. What do you think is going to be inside of this wick here on a smaller time frame? So we got a 4 hour close here. So if I go over to a 1 hour time frame, okay, I should see some candles inside. Okay. Okay, so I got to close below on the 1 hour time frame. What if I go to the 15-minute time frame? On the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, let's say if I was saying, oh man, I'm going to wait until it closes. Okay. On the 15-minute time frame, I got to close below. Okay, got to close below here. But what if I was going for the sell and the market just shot all the way back up? So you're going to see smaller candles that's closing within that zone. Okay, so stick with the time frame that you're marking up on. So if you're marking up on the 1 hour time frame, you wait for the 1 hour candles to close. Okay, wait for the 1 hour candle to close, like this one here. Okay, this one here. Nope, I need to do this on a 4 hour time frame. All right, so let's just say, for example, this big old red candle right here. On the 15-minute time frame, it's going to look like something else. You see, it's just going to be drop, pull back, drop, pull back, drop, pull back. That's why I look at the higher time frames. Okay, even though you have smaller waves and structure, you got structure here, breakout, retest, drop. Okay. Well, if I don't get off of this call, I ain't get no sleep to do London. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you. And I will see you later. All right, remember, practice risk management. Thank you, team.